Hey, hello guys. So, how exactly is it that you are spending your quarantine? What keeps you busy all the day? That is something that I wanted to talk with you today. First of all, guys, it is very, four more times very important that we understand that the situation in front of us is really a grim one currently. The World Economic Forum has already said that we are in a worse recession than 2008 recession, and if the estimates are right, we are seeing at a great economic depression all around the world. What that means for those of you who remember what 2008 was, what that means is that in the coming years, we are going to see a lot more layoffs, a lot more people getting fired, a lot less job creation, and a lot of slow growth of industry. What that also means is that this time which you have got in the lockdown, this time of a few months maybe, is the time which can really make a difference of how bad this recession hits you. We have already seen so many internships for students getting cancelled. We are already seeing so many companies shutting down their specific operations. And once this all crisis comes to some kind of maturity, we are going to see businesses take steps which will really hit hard upon the people, who have been working, who have already working, or the students who are going ahead and going to go and take jobs, are just starting with their career. But it's not also grim as well. You see, this is the time which is a once in a lifetime opportunity. This is a time which you can invest and build upon your skills. And with all of that coming in and knowing that all of that recession part and the bad things that are going to come in the days to come, it is even more important that we utilize this time to build upon our skills, to build our profile in a better manner, to go out and do something different which can help us survive the difficult years to come ahead. What that means is that this is the time you do that one thing which you always wanted to do. If you always wanted to start a blog, this is the time. Go ahead, start it. You always wanted to have a YouTube channel, make that video, post it. You always wanted to write a book, go ahead, get that book written. You always wanted to learn a specific skill, go ahead. There are so many websites which can teach you skills, different skill sets. You wanted to learn that musical instrument which you have bought, go ahead and ace it. Spend this time which you have for your betterment, for your personality development, for building up your profile. Not just winning some chicken dinner, not just playing PUBG, not just watching Mirzapur all over again, not just starting over with another web series and going ahead and finishing it. There is absolutely no pride in being able to finish a web series in a day. But what otherwise you could do is spend that time in making maybe your own content, or going out there and watching a few courses. Who knows? You could finish off one. You could finish off and end up getting one good degree from a good college if you put in the efforts in these hours that you have. And it is even more important because you see the times to come will be really difficult times. For me personally, what it means is that I am going to give and support you, everyone in this, everyone watching this video who really wants to go out there and build their profile. I'm going to do my bit by doing a few things here and there. From now on, I'm going to start posting one video every day for the next 1 or 2 months, one video every day in which I'll talk about personal development, what career means, how should we plan out our careers, what time management means, what priority management means, what networking means, all the people skills, all the soft skills which can really push you forward in your career and which will really come and be tested in the times to come. I'm going to go ahead, create a lot of courses for you guys so that you can go and learn all of these things, as well as keep on talking with you every day so that you can ensure that you stay on track. You see, just about 10 days ago, I had started my journey on Unacademy, where I started teaching for CAT. In those 10 days, I have already made it to the top 30 educators in India for the category. My lectures, the content that I created on the platform has already been watched. More than 31,000 watch minutes have already been there for the content that I have created, which means basically close to 500 hours. People have spent close to 500 hours watching the content. What students have went ahead and watched my courses for close to more than 500 hours on the platform. So this is also a time which offers us a lot of opportunities if you look at it in that way. This is a time when online content creation should really hit off, because this is a time when almost everyone is sitting back in the home and consuming as much content as possible. What I'm also going to do is that my website currently offers 4 services. For students and for those who are going ahead and getting their college admits done, I offer CV verification, LinkedIn verification, and mock interviews. For the startups, for entrepreneurs who are just starting with their ventures, I also offer startup consulting. What I am going to do is that starting tomorrow, all my services will be 100% free with a coupon code which I am going to post after this video. If you go on my website and if you want to develop your LinkedIn profile, if you want to develop your CV, if you want to consult with me, with the use of that coupon code, you should be able to completely free of cost for the next 50 days. You should be able to completely free of cost get my services, and it should help you update your profile. So it's really a great time. This is also a time when you should spend time in reading books. You should go out and read a lot of books. You should go out. Maybe you have a lot of PDFs. Maybe you have a lot of ebooks. Go ahead and read those books. On talking about ebooks, on my website, I will be also offering some crazy discount on my book, Connect to Lead, which is a book on communication skills and public speaking, so that you can just grab that book, start reading it. And for those of you who have a physical copy of the book and have not been able to complete the book, this is the time you put in, and this is the time when you completely finish these things off. There's also a little something announcement that I want to make today along with all of this. It feels like so much so has gone through, but this is really a time when we really need to act fast. We really need to put in those extra hours and not really lay back and take that extra sleep for some little bit of extra time or watch those extra movies. This is not a time for that. What I have also started from next week onwards is that I would be providing virtual lectures in a lot of engineering colleges and a lot of other B schools, helping the students on how is it that they should spend this time of their quarantine building their profiles. We have already seen that a lot of schools are already going ahead and have started taking the lectures in an online manner. What that means is that from this point on, I open my profile up for a lot of online conferences as well as for online guest lectures for a lot of these schools, wherein I could come up and I could teach the students how is it that they could build one specific skill at a time, or else how is it that they should be utilizing this quarantine time, so that they could come out on the other side with a lot of things added to their profile. If you always dreaded that, oh God, my CV does not fill up, my complete page is not filled up, or I have to write some rubbish to make my CV really filled up, then actually guys, this is the time which you could really put in and really build your profile up. So all the very best for all of you who's going to join me on this journey. I am going to see you again tomorrow with another video where we should start talking about how is it that we can have a little bit of idea about what you want to do in your life, what career trajectory means, and so far and so forth, right? So I'm going to end with a quote. This is one of a niche quotes, very close to my heart. The quote is actually on entrepreneurship. The quote is that spend a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like those people can't. So it really, I felt that the quote really fits in over here because for these next 2-3 months, this quote really goes in very well. Spend these next 2-3 months like most people won't, so that you can have the rest of your decade or rest of your 4-5 years to come, which will be turbulent times, like those people can't. So all the very best, and I'll see you tomorrow.